Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today I have another scent from Nishane, which is Wulong Cha. I had this sample and I thought I should share my thoughts about how this Wulong Cha is and how it smells and should you buy it or not. Okay, so let's try to spray it on this strip. So it is, the first feeling is, if you have seen the tea leaves, green tea leaves, this is the first thing I would sniff. So if someone has green tea leaves with some, you can say sweetness or some maybe figs or some sweet dry fruit that is close or maybe on top of it. Now it has some dried tea leaves, like yellowish tea leaves smell. Let's try to spray it once more on the back. Oh, I love the start of this one. This is very nicely done perfume. And then it said that they have this oolong tea note in it, which is really lovely, but it normally blends into a fig note. Fig note is a mellow kind of sweet, rounded kind of note that is, I personally don't enjoy it a lot. I would not say that I really love fig note. I don't like fig note much. They are kind of like damp kind of perfumes, damp note that is sweet and damp and rounded. It really, reminds me of China. Now it is kind of like the green leaves in the start, sweet green leaves with fig in the start. They turned yellow just after like 30 seconds. It is a very different take on a tea note based sweet perfume, and I really love it, at least on the paper. Let's try to spray it on the skins, see how it actually evolves. There is some citrus in the start, that is the citrus blow. Yes, it is fresh green tea note in the start. And after that, the fig notes start appearing. There is some vibrant spice that is very lightweight, that is kind of like airy spice. Fig note is there, it is already start evolving. I already said that on the paper. On skin, there is a lot of different things going on with the heat. Now the tea note has been, subdued, and fig and musk note and other notes are, emerging, trying to emerge. So sweet musk, fig note with some tea leaves in the background. That is how this perfume is. And the only thing I don't like in this composition is fig notes, because I don't like fig note a bit much. If there was more citrus over here in this perfume, I would really love it and I would wear it in summers. I think I recommend it for summers. And if you like fig note and the tea note, this is very nicely done tea note based, tea based perfume. Tea note is still there, it is lingering over here and there, but fig note is, after some time, it will be the main player with the tea note. So tea notes, oolong tea leaves are playing with fig and musk and some sweetness in the background. I think it would be a great perfume if there was more citrus or bergamot or something like that, added to it. There is some lemon, I am not sure. There is some citrus. But I think if they would have added some more citrus, maybe some lemon with the tea, or yes, lemon tea would be a great combination. Anyhow, so this is a nice summer perfume. I would rank it like scent profile, I would rate it like 6 out of 10 or maybe 7 out of 10 for the tea part, the tea note, the uniqueness of tea note, I would rate it 7 out of 10. And for performance, I think it would be average like 6 out of 10. I'm not sure. Fig note is there. If it didn't had a fig note, I think it would be like 8 or 9 out of 10 for me. But right now, I would give the scent profile 7 out of 10, and performance would be, I think, average 5 to 6, medium, like that. So this is my review about Wulong Cha from Nishane, and this is a nice perfume. This is a nice summer perfume. I would recommend it for even I think women can wear it. They would really enjoy this, and maybe men enjoy this on women's skin more, because I don't like it on my skin. Okay, so it is getting really better now. There's some fruitiness or sweetness that is coming after the fig. Overall, I think it is a very nice perfume for summers. I think it should be in your collection if you are a collector of perfumes. If you are a woman, I think in hot summers, this would be a very nice, not too much humid like in UAE or Arab Emirates, but in a hot summer like 30 degrees Celsius or above, like 30 to 40 degree, this would be a nice perfume. When the wind is blowing and it is hot outside, and you are wearing Wulong Cha, this is a nice perfume, even for, I think, for Indian women too. Lovely, nice perfume. So this is my review about Wulong Cha. I hope you have enjoyed this review, and if you like fresh green tea leaves or fig note, and like you want to add it to your summer perfume, make sure you try the sample first before buying this. And if you happen to go to any store of Nishane, where perfume store, try to get the sample sprayed, and at least take 5 minutes before deciding, because sometimes the opening notes are so good that you say that I want this perfume, that after a while it starts getting different, and you would not like that. Okay, nice perfume, very well done, Nishane over here. Wulong Cha is a very different take on a summer perfume. I love it, and I recommend it for summers. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.